everybody, and welcome. So I have my Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard kit for the month of March. This is just in time. I just received this today, and I'm super excited because it's in time for my birthday. This is my birthday weekend. My birthday is next week. And so I am super excited to receive this kit. And let's check it out. But before we check it out, let me tell you. So I went to the eye doctor today, and he mentioned bifocals, and I almost flipped out of the seat because I was like, look, I know I'm 40, but guys, no, I'm not there. But the glasses that he's able to get me, they're able to do something to the lens, like curve it, to make it better, so that way I don't need the bifocals. And then he said when I have in my contact lenses, I can wear readers. So I had to buy myself a pair of readers. I said, I cannot believe I am there, that I now need readers. I mean, I'm not surprised because I have to turn on my ring light here just for extra light when I'm crafting. But anywho, let's get started. I love the box that it comes in. So when my boyfriend saw me walking with the package, he was like, really? You got something else? Really? And I said, it's my birthday. And he was like, oh, so that's what we're going to say now for every package that comes? It's your birthday? And I'm like, yeah, we're going with that. So let's see. Okay. So he doesn't realize I actually have this on subscription. So, but it comes in this pretty box, this beautiful tissue paper. I love how they package up. You know, and that's how when I do my orders, I like to package things up because depending on what it is that my customers have bought, because I just believe in something looking like a present. Okay. You know, it just gives that little extra little bit of joy and excitement. Okay. So for this month, we have 2 sheets. Well, hold on. Let me find the inspiration card. Okay. And the one thing I love about the inspiration card is that you can definitely use this as a card front to make your own card. So I love that they do that. So you get 2 sheets of 110-pound white cardstock. You're going to get 1 sheet of bezeled. Let me see, does it tell me? Oh, it tells me on here. This is, I think I should have put my readers on. Okay, yeah, basil pewter cardstock, and this is textured. And then you're going to get 4 sheets of glitter paper, and this is 8.5 by 11 sheets of glitter paper. Look at that. That just looks so yummy. So you're going to get an iridescent white, a black, a silver, and a gold. So you could pretty much tell the theme right here. I absolutely love this. And this would have been good too for New Year's. Okay. And so next on our card, they gave us the color palette here, which is absolutely beautiful. And they package up everything in these bags. And I'm going to tell you the truth. I signed up for the bags. I'm not going to lie. I love the bags. It just makes everything so easy when it comes to crafting because all of your items are in here. So like, and I need to work with this one more, but like my the February kit, I just keep everything in here. Even the stamp set, I just keep it in there until I'm done with it. Okay. So you're going to get a stencil. And that's the one thing I love about the Pink and Main kits is that for the value, you get so much. I think it's $43. That may be including the shipping and the handling that I pay out each month. But that value, you're getting a stencil. You're getting a 6x6 embossing folder. You're also getting a 6x6 stamp set. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you're also going to get the coordinating die set. And for this month, the sentiments are included. You get a die for the sentiments. Okay, I hope I have this where y'all can see it. Okay. So then you're going to get a package of sequins. Oh, look at that. All different kinds of stuff in there. Then you're going to get silver glossy dots. Okay, look like mirrored glass. You also get 4 envelope sealers. And then we have our paper. I absolutely love their 6x6 pad. And that is because it's not quite like other it's not quite like other pads. And what I mean by this is the coating on the paper. It's just, it's top-notch coating. Okay, so it's like a cardstock, so it's not like a paperweight. But like if you can see the sheen to it, you just don't expect to see that out of a 6x6. Okay. So these are, I hope I'm getting this in the camera. And look at these. A lot of ginghams, stars, stripes, plaids. You get some polka dots. I love that abstract. I love the gold stars. And then now this is the flip side. I need to go back and see, do they ever sell this stuff individually? Because this is really pretty. Okay, and so that is the paper. Completely gorgeous. So that is this month's Crafty Courtyard kit from Pink and Maine. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy and come back soon to see the projects that I'm going to be working on using this kit. Alrighty guys, bye-bye.